Hey everybody, how's it going? We are almost done with quarter three. So today I'm going to talk about a few things. Also remember to get all those assignments turned in. Any missing work, if you do makeup assignments, make sure you email those to me. Let me know once you've emailed them so I can make sure I put them in the grade book. So let me go through the page today. Actually, first off, check out this cute puppy right here. Look at him. His name's Chip. Say hi, Chip. All right, he's a little tired. Thank goodness. All right, so today we're going to do a HIIT workout. So high intensity interval training. So task 1, watch this video. Task 2, complete the workout. All right, so the workout is here below. If clicking on this doesn't work, here's the link attached. So you might need to copy and paste that on your phone or something else if it's not working for you on your iPad. All right, so you're going to watch this video. And then for your assignment, you're going to answer the reflection questions that are below. Okay, so in here, you can click on it. It takes you to a discussion post. You're going to answer each of the 3 questions. Okay, to get the full points, you need to answer in at least 2 to 4 complete sentences. So a one-word answer, 1 sentence, those will not get you your points for today. Okay, so make sure you're very specific in these and that they're due and that they're done by midnight tonight. All right, let me know if you have any questions.